Okay, in this lab we gonna join Active Directory because we will use this Windows 10 system later on for .1x and maybe for MAB and for other things. So we need to join domain. Okay, so how we can join a domain? So let me go to my topology, and this is PC1. Later on we will use this for .1x and for other purpose. So this PC has to join this Active Directory. Active Directory is 192.168.100.230. So let me log in to this PC as an administrator, okay, as a workgroup administrator. So user, this the default username, and test123 is the default password. T is in uppercase. By default, and if when you are using Windows 10, either Windows 8 or 7 or XP, so by default username is user and password is test123. So let me log into this system. Okay, as an administrator, the credential has to be administrator. Okay, so this user has administrative right, name is also user. Next thing, you need to click on, let me close this one, my computer. You can go from many places, but this is the one of the easy place to go. So right click on my computer, and we just a minute, yeah, and go to properties. Okay, and next thing what we need to do, this the name of the system, and change setting. Click on change setting. You know, it's in work group. Okay, and full computer name is desktop Windows 10, and you need to click on change, and here type the domain. So our domain is test.local, as you know. Either you can type 192.168.100.230 as well. Okay, what else? Yeah, just click OK. So if there is no issue, it will ask you username and password. This is the administrative username and password in your Active Directory. So that is administrator, password is abc@12345, and you know this domain test.local and OK. Okay, and after that, if there is no issue, so welcome message will display, welcome to test local domain, and click OK. Okay, and click OK, and close this window, and it say restart the system. You need to restart the system, and after that it will join domain. So what we done, we change setting, it was work group, and then we say change, and after that you need to type domain name, either IP address, and click OK. It will ask you username and password. In our case, our username is administrator and password is abc@12345. Okay, so welcome message will display, and after that you need to reboot the system, and you see now it will be like this one, test.local, and it will join the domain. Okay, so when you close and restart, after that we can log in as a Active Directory user. So we already create user. If you remember, here we create user, so many users. Let me show you that one. So let me take a remote desktop to 230, this server, and connect. Password is abc@12345. So we have many group. I can log in from any user. Okay, so let's see, let me use any user. Okay, so it will take some time to log in, and let me show you some user, and we can verify from here as well. If it is joined, so it will show the PC detail here in computers when we log into Active Directory user and computer, and these are our Active Directory user and groups. Okay, so we can log in from any like C1, E1, G1 and L1. We can log in from any of these user. Okay, because we already have these user in Active Directory. So let me go to Active Directory. Okay, it's taking time to log in. So after that I can log in using any user. So let's see now, It will take some time. Let me go back. Yeah, so this one is here now, and let me show you those group and user which we can use to log in from client PC. Yeah, so I need to go to tool, and there is Active Directory user and computer. Okay, and let's find out user and group, and also we can verify the PC here. So it will take some time because it's just come up. And also here you can see now I can log in through domain user. So you need to change from user to other user. Click here. Now it's showing our domain name. Okay, so let's go back here, and where I was, Active Directory user and computer. Yeah, it's already open. So we already create here is ISE group, and here we have admin group, contractor, employees, guest, limited, support group, and these are some users C1, E1, G1 and L1. I can log in from any of these user. So let me go back to this one and just drag a mouse, click other user and type here suppose L1, either C1, contractor 1 C1, and type ABC@12345. This is the password which we set on this user. Okay, so let me verify, yeah, and log in. So it will take some time, and let me verify this computer. So for computer you need to go to computers, and here you can see, you see desktop W10. That's the PC name. So it join the domain, and we can use any of these user to log in now. Okay, so it's ready for our use later on in the course. So let's see it's going to log in or not. So let's see, getting things ready. It will take some time, you know, first time you'll try to log in, so it will take some time to make things ready. Okay, first time user. So because it's a first time user C1, so it will take some time, and then we can log into this system. Okay, so this the way. Let me show you here. So you need to click other. Here I log in as a E1, but here I use C1. You can use any domain user, and this is the PC which we verify, and computer, so it's there, and these are our group which we can use to log in. So let's see, it will take maybe another 1 to 2 minutes, then we can check out. Okay, so now it's come up now. Let's see, and let me show you here. Okay, first time it's taking time to create a profile when you log in with new user. Okay, second time it's okay, but first time when you try to log in with a user, so it will create a profile, and that's why it's taking time. So it's almost done, and I hope so. Let me see now. Let me show you, and we need to verify. Okay, so let's verify. Let me click on start button. Okay, it is a bit slow, but it's okay. First time when it's create profile, so it's slow. Okay, let's see now. Yeah, so I'm logging. Let me show you the user. I'm logging with C1. Okay, let me click here. It's taking time. Okay, so no, I don't need to log out. I just want to show you user. Yeah, C1. So I'm logging as a C1, and now let's go to this computer. Okay, I just need to show you. So let me type this computer. Okay, and just to show you that now it's, yeah, so my PC, right click on my PC. Okay, for some reason it's very slow, but it has to be faster. Okay, so let me go to property, Okay, and now you will see that this PC join this Active Directory. Yeah, so here you can see it's a desktop window 10 test.local, and this is the domain. Okay, let me zoom it again. So now you can see, so this was the procedure how we can join a domain. Okay, so this is now under domain, this PC, and we log in as a C1. You can log off and you can log in with another user as well. Okay, that's it.